Okay, so we have been learning about voltage sources, and the symbol for a voltage source is a circle with a plus and a minus. We've also been learning about LEDs, and the symbol for an LED looks like a triangle with arrows, where the flat end is the anode and the arrowhead is the cathode, positive to negative. And we've also been learning about resistors, and this is the symbol for a resistor. A resistor doesn't have a polarity, so you don't have to put a plus or minus on a resistor. Remember, resistors drop voltage. So for the circuit that we have, remember you have to have a closed circuit in order for current to flow. What we've had is we had a 9-volt battery here. So there's our 9-volt battery. And now we're going to add a resistor in series with the LED. Remember, series means head to tail or end to end. So here we have an LED and we have a resistor. And we already talked about that we want 3 volts to drop across that LED. So that means we need 6 volts to drop across the resistor. So the way that we find the value of the resistor is called Ohm's law. Ohm's law is voltage equals current is I, times resistance R. And remember, this is the current I, it's the flow of charge, and this is the voltage, the separation of charge, the energy from the separation of charge. So I know I need 3 volts and 20 milliamps to flow through my LED. Milli is times 10 to the negative 3. So 20 milliamps is the same as 0.02 amps. 0.02 amps. So all of these elements are in series, so they all have the same current. So that means I need 0.02 amps to flow through my resistor. So my resistor value is going to be voltage divided by current. Voltage divided by current. So my resistor is going to be 6 divided by 0.02. So in order to keep from burning up my LED, my resistor needs to be 300 ohms.